Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a tail light on a GMC Yukon. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before beginning any work. This simple preparation ensures your safety throughout the entire process. Having the right bulb ready saves time and effort. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. Open your vehicle's tailgate to reveal the two retaining screws located on the inner edge of the tail light. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, firmly but gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out of its mounting clips with a little effort. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Locate the bulb socket you need to replace. It's usually a quarter-turn twist lock. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 90 degrees to unlock it from the tail light housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it is fully seated. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing, twisting it clockwise about 90 degrees to lock it securely. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Push the assembly firmly back into place until it clicks into its clips. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.